Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to talk about induction cooktop and EMF radiation. By the way, I am a radio wave hypersensitive. So what it means is whenever I use cell phones, wireless internet, let's say Wi-Fi or mobile data connection, 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, you name it, after using it for a while, let's say half an hour or 1 hour, I start to get mild dizziness, headaches, and sometimes migraines as well. So these are my symptoms, and today I'm going to review this induction cooktop. By the way, this will apply to all these induction cooktops. So this is my first induction cooktop that I've used so far. So as before, I use the normal gas or your old halogen style infrared cooktops. So those are good and they do not emit any EMF radiation. On the other hand, these induction cooktop, they rely on these EMF, actually strong magnetic field, alternating magnetic field, to actually generate eddy current, and using these currents to generate heat in these types of utensils. So first of all, I'm gonna tell you a few things that I've experienced so far. First of all, induction cooktop does affect your health, by the way. So if I compare the exposure levels of this induction cooktop to a smartphone or let's say Wi-Fi and mobile data connections, I would say an hour of Wi-Fi streaming, let's say if you're using your smartphone with Wi-Fi for 1 hour and using this induction cooktop for 2 minutes is the same actually. So that means this is more powerful and actually affects your health, by the way. So I'm gonna tell you how I've overcome it. By the way, the way I use it now, I do not get any exposure. I don't get any headaches by using it. So I'm gonna tell you a few things that I've changed so far, and you should too if you're actually concerned about these things. So first of all, always use induction utensils. By the way, induction compatible utensils. So what it means is, here I have a pressure cooker. So make sure the magnet actually sticks to the base of your utensil, just like this. So as you can see, the magnet is actually sticking to it. So that means it's a ferromagnetic base of this metal. So first of all, if the utensil is flat, but let's say if it's stainless steel and the magnet does not stick to it, first of all, it will work. I mean, there is no denying to it, and I've also used it, and the worst exposures that I've got from this induction cooktop are actually from utensils that are not technically supported or compatible to it. So what it means is the magnet does not stick to other utensils that I have and are not really technically induction compatible. Let's say like this. Here you can see there is a welded magnetized steel plate stuck to this utensil. So it is actually the best and most efficient. So it does not transmit or excessively leak any EMF radiation, by the way. So this type of utensils are good and do not give you that much bad exposures as if I use a normal utensil, a flat one like a stainless steel one, and if the magnet does not stick to it. So make sure magnet does stick to the base of your utensil. This is the first thing. And the second thing about these is reduce your overall exposure by not really being in front of it. So the way I cook it in this induction cooktop, by the way, the good thing about this one is that it's very, very efficient. I mean, if I compare it with my old infrared cooktops, this is like twice more efficient, and it actually really helps if the electricity is expensive in your areas. So that's a good thing, but you have to be have some, I would say, security measures in my way. The first thing is make sure 1 meter of distance from these induction cooktops. So actually so the way I cook in this induction cooktop is I usually cook foods that take long time and do not take any attention, let's say if you wanna stir or anything like that. So for pressure cooking, this is very good. I would say I do not have any problem with it. So I just turn it on, put the utensil in the cooktop first, and then turn it on basically, and then turn it on and set the timer and just get the hell out of there. And make sure 1 to 2 meter of safe distance from this induction cooktop, and you will be fine, guys. As I have felt already, and I have been using this for over a month, and the only time when I felt like I am getting mildly dizzy is the time when I spend setting up these things. So I usually just turn on the induction cooktop, set any preset that you want or the temperature, and then get away from it. So overall, this is the things that I've told you about this. So yes, induction cooktop does affect your health actually more than your smartphone or anything else if in terms of wireless, because the way it actually cooks the food, it really needs that, you know. And the leakage current, the leakage EMF fields are also there. So make sure you keep a safe distance from these things. Let's say over a meter. Actually, I prefer over like 3 meters is my best appropriate distance from this induction cooktop or any induction cooktop. So and also you can reduce the power as well. So the higher the power, the more the powerful the magnetic field, and the more leakage or stray magnetic field will be around this cooktop. So these are the few things that I've told you so far, and overall that's it. If you want to know about this kind of topic, I mean, I don't know, so please let me know in the comment section below so I can make more videos about this kind of content. So yeah guys, that's it about induction cooktop and magnetic radiation from these. So make sure you use induction compatible utensils, and keep an appropriate distance, and that's it. That's the best thing you can do about these, because they are overall actually pretty good because of the power efficiency in terms of that. So they are good. So that's it for this video, guys. This is the Awesome Tuber, and you can subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you really soon. Bye.